Hi all. We just see the easy steps to solve this rotated array problem in efficient way. So let's start coding part. So first we will calculate the modulus of k. Why? Because if the input the in input the k value if it is similar with the length of an array, then the output will be the array itself. Okay. So we are not going to compute seven times. For example, our the length of an array is seven and the value of k is seven. So we are not going to compute seven times. To minimize or to avoid the computation time, we are calculating the modulus of k. And there is another case. If the value of k is greater than the length of array, then it will be easy to calculate only the the modulus value or difference value of the k. So that's why we will calculate the modulus of k. So as we just discussed, there are four steps to divide. First, divide the array into two parts and then reverse. So first we will create the reverse function that will take the array as an input and the start index that is 0 and the end index that is a minus 1. Okay, so we are about to calculate the value of a. So what is A? It is the difference between the length of array minus the k step. The first, it will calculate the first, it will reverse the first part of array. Then we will reverse the second part of array. So we will take the array as an input and the index start from the value A and it goes until the length minus 1. And the fourth step, we will reverse the whole array. So array as an input 0 and the end index. So we'll create the method. I rename this where I start index and end index. It will be easy to understand. So first we will check if array equal to null or the array dot length of an array is equal to 1, then we have to simple break the flow and return. Then we will apply the for while loop to reverse the array. That is it run till the start is less than the end index. In this loop, we are simply reversing the element. So for that, I'll create one variable that is temp, and in this variable, I'll store the element end element that is end. Then and before go to the next index, the left end must be it's minus start plus plus. Okay, so this is the code. So we divide the array into two parts. So the first part is 0 to a minus 1 and the second part a to length minus 1. Let's see whether we are getting the desired output or not. So sorry. So here the value of k is 4. So expecting output 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Let's okay, it's right. So yeah, as we can see, we are getting the expected output. Yes. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.